Hi, I'm Kate with For the Love, and today I'm going to teach you about the N sound in our Learning to Read program. We already know the letter N can make the N sound. To review, I will read some words. I want you to point to the letter making the N sound in each word. Net, newt, narwhal. Great. NN can also make the N sound in words. As I read the words, point to the letters making the N sound. Bunny, minnow, dinner. KN can also make the N sound. Today that K is silent, but in the past people used to say kn when they saw these letters. Today we just say N, but we still spell it with the K. As I read the words, point to the letters making the N sound. Knife, need, night. Great. GN can also make the N sound. Now people used to say gn, but we have dropped that G sound and just say N even though we spell it with the G. As I read the words, point to the letters making the N sound. Gnaw, gnome, gnat. Great. Now I'm going to show you letters and digraphs, and I want you to say the sound each makes. I'll give you about 2 seconds to say the sound, and then I will say the sound so you can check your work. N, 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 N. Oi, oi. You or oo or O or ah. Nk. Great. Now I'm going to show you some words. I want you to read each word. I'll give you 5 seconds to read each word, and then I will read the word so you can check your work. In, gnat, when, knife, dinner. Great job! You can practice with this video as many times as you need to master this sound. For more reading resources, go to www.teachingforthelove.com.